In this video, we will get started with our concept board. Firstly, let's look at some common image types. First of which is a JPEG. A JPEG is a compressed image type that is typically small in file size. There are multiple compression methods to optimize the image as much as the user requires. The second image type, and the type we will use in this video, is a PNG. A PNG is an uncompressed format, typically larger in file size, but has the ability to display transparent backgrounds. The skills you learn in this video will apply to any file type that you end up using in your future projects. In the Asset folder, let's find our image. Let's click and drag the .png into our document. Alternatively, you can use the File and Place Embedded option to insert the file. However, having a project folder open while you work is a practice I recommend. I've made the process here a bit easier today by making the image the exact size we need for this tutorial. Now we have inserted our image, we have entered Place Mode. Place Mode gives a few options. You can move the image by clicking and dragging. You can scale the image too by clicking a corner node point and drag the image to resize. By default, the image scaling is constrained, meaning that the proportions of the image are locked. To break these constraints, hold Shift while dragging a node to format the image in any way you like. Once happy with the size and placement, click the tick at the top of the interface. Note that all these transformations can be edited, and by clicking the tick you are merely saying that this is the image I'd like in my document. For this demonstration, I'm going to click Cancel and insert the image into the document again. I'm going to position the image in the top left with even spacing around the edges. An important image-based tool is Free Transform. Select the image, move to the Edit tab and click Free Transform. From here you will see the same editing options as when we are in Place Mode. You can move, scale and rotate just the same as before. To rotate your image, move your mouse off the image and click and drag the mouse. You can also access the Free Transform tool by pressing Ctrl T on your keyboard.